Yung palalakihan tanggalin. Palalakihan yung pinto. Sa una tanggalin. Door jam tanggalin.
Tanggalin ang steel jam kasi palakihan ang pinto. Hardy flex wall cutting para hindi mabasag. Chipping rotary hammer at the jam foot. That is on both sides of the steel door jam. Steel jam has been removed, and we are now fixing the metal furring on both sides of the opening. We are using blind rivet to fasten them into position accordingly in plumb level settings. One side is done. So we are to fix in one more side with metal furring. This is the one that we are to fix in. Here we go, both side is now fixed. Housekeeping is also done. This are the door and the jam, and tomorrow, another guy is coming to fix that jam. Cut it, and something to lengthen or add more to achieve the width of the opening from 80 centimeters to 135 centimeters. On our way to workshop at this heavy rain because of typhoon pricing. Thank you for watching.